last week I got this fish emulsion. It's for the rose and the hydrangea. I'm going to water them with that. I want to share this. This is my other plant. This actually is my first plant that I grow myself. This is an avocado seed. This is the reason why I pushed myself to get more plants, because I thought if I can grow this from a seed, maybe I can take care of other plants. I've been growing this since March. This one, my husband 3D printed it for me. And also, I put it here in our laundry room so it's not too hot, and at the same time, it's not too cold, and the sun won't like shine directly on the plant because I think that will stop the growing. I tried to put this outside, but for some reason, I feel like the roots stopped growing. So I put it back here. A little update on the rose. 4 days after I use the fish emulsion. So the rose, it's growing new leaves. I don't think this is because of the fish emulsion, although that might help, but I think they have been growing before. I just didn't notice it because I was focused on the yellow leaves and the wilting leaves. For the hydrangea, they're losing their color, but that's fine. I think they're just changing their color, not really losing it, because the leaves are still dark green, and I think that means it's healthy.